I used to have a cool car, and I'm picking it up in 3 days. Let me show you what it is. Check this out. That beauty right there, that guy, was my old car I sold probably 4 years ago, when I had the car probably 6 years ago. When I had it for 2.5, 3, 4 years, something like that. It did not look the same. It had BNR 33 wheels. I put the lip on. I did a couple things to it, but it looked like that. It's an R154 1JZ twin turbo, factory twin turbo car. The car now looks like that. And I've been dreaming to get this car back since the day I sold it. So I am stoked. Yes, it looks the exact same as seen in the photo right here. And let me show you guys some more. There is a couple more photos that you can tell on the page there, but it comes with these wheels. They're Odana something or other wheels. I wasn't gonna get them because I don't like the color gold, but I mean, that's easily fixed with paint. It does come with the fogs, I think the original body panels as well. But man, I am excited to have this car back in my life. I regret selling it every day. It was the reason I'm into cars today, and probably the reason I'm making this video right now. So I can't tell you how excited I am for it, but you know, just wait until Friday. I'm gonna show some live video of it. And my fiance is gonna drive back, so I'm gonna be really jealous staring at it the whole way home. It. Getting pretty excited. My heart's starting to pump. I'm not even kidding. This is how. You know what? There's something about a piece of metal, then inline 6 and twin turbos. Doesn't beat it. It's riding really good. It's got a little bit of a fuel problem to it though. So, but check it out. Ready? Go! Go downstairs. Come on. Ready? Go! Let's go! Oh, good boy. Ready to go for a car ride? Oh, what's this? Jump in. Yeah, let's go in. Up. Good boy. Okay, buckle up. The wide body dog, come on. Good boy. You guys must have good one. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm at about 80. What? What do you mean, what the fuck? What? Oh? Do you remember this car?
This your old one?
Yeah, man.
Actually?
Yeah.
You bought it out.
What?
You bought it out.
Thomas! What are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Hey. Okay, where's the new one? Like, fuck.
It's his white one, but red.
Look, it's my original car. It's my original car. What do you think? Why did you...
Alright, all. Why does none of your cars fucking work? God.
What's up?
Oh, no.
Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
A little bit.
I'll crack it. Come on, you can do it, Thomas. Look at the dirty Jay-Z life. Hey, Brodozer!
The next day.
Here's the interior on it. It is pretty dirty. It's got a good door panel on this side, but that door panel is actually missing. It's in the back. Another thing is, look at all the dirt, dirty garbage all over. So what I'm gonna do is vacuum up the interior here, get everything cleaned up, and then you know, just give it a good overall clean. Then tomorrow, what I'll do is carpet extract everything. You know, get this back to blue because it's kind of faded color. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about this car. I've been wanting to buy it back since I sold it, and it's been 4 years since I owned it last. And I actually owned this car for I think 3 years total. I did a lot of work to it. It's my favorite car I've ever owned, and it's the reason I'm actually into cars today. So you guys will get to see a little bit of a neat build on this one. It's definitely just gonna be a street build. Nothing really to do with drifting at all. I want to keep this car clean as I can, and I'll show you what else came with it. Just pulled this stuff out of the car. These are actually the door panels. They're like an aftermarket cut door panel for both sides. And so I'm gonna actually put these in, probably wrap them in felt or something later on. So I'll do an episode on putting those in. But side skirts, got those. They don't actually fit on there right now because they fall off. They're too low. And then some extra wrap. So it is just wrapped. It is a pearl white paint job from factory. But look at the shine on this. Get to right there. Yeah, it's got some shine to it. Right there. Check it out. Look at it. Look at it. Check it out. Whoa, that's good, eh? But you can't put your finger in there. It's just tight. And it's got quite a bit of a stretch on the wheels. Probably gonna get some new tires for this. I don't really like to stretch overly. It's a bit too much. I don't even know how wide these are. I don't know anything about them. They're like an Odana wheel or something like that. But I think they're 18 by 9.5. This is stock body. It is a very clean body. Nice thing about it is I'm gonna raise it up probably about a 1/4 of an inch, and then that way the side skirts will fit on a lot nicer. As you can tell, side skirt comes down to here. It scrapes on literally everything. And I can't have that because I don't want to ruin them. They're in really good shape, and it's a full origin kit, so I'll show you the origin.